what's up? It's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I have a really huge box of clothes from Urbanic. It's really cute stuff, has some of my favorite pieces. It's all winter inspo. I'm really sure you will like it because I love this. I really cannot wait to show you all what's inside this. I also have a special coupon code that I will tell you at the end of the video, so if you want to know that, please keep watching. So let's open this. I have already opened it, but yeah. The first item is this Simplicity vest sweater. It is an apricot beige color and it has a very minimalistic design with this brown line here and a yellow flower. I really like it because it's very cute. This is made of polyester wool. It is a light wool, so it can be great for layering stuff. I got this for only rupees 968 and it's such nice quality. The print and everything, this is so precise. I got this in size M because I wanted to wear it above, a bunch of clothes like a shirt or sweater, whatever. Now, as for styling it, I have a very simple trick. If you want to style something like a statement piece like this, you can actually pair it with any of the colors present on the thing. So I can style it with a beige thing, a yellow thing, or a brown thing. Here I have styled it with a brown skirt to give like a schoolgirl vibe and a white shirt underneath. This skirt personally is very, tiny for me, but if you are into that, if you have that body type, if you're very confident in that, you can wear it. Or you can also wear it with brown pants. Like here I'm wearing it with leather pants, which looks really cool and chic, and this whole outfit is very pretty. If you don't want to wear like a shirt underneath, you can go Portia from White Lotus. She wore like a t-shirt inside a sweater vest, or just half sleeves, whatever. That'll be perfect for spring season. Yeah, this is an all year round outfit in my opinion because it's not very thick or heavy. Quality is amazing given the fact it's only rupees 968. Wow. Now I have another Simplicity vest sweater. This one is actually one of my favorite pieces. I got this for rupees 1112 and this is in free size, so there's a small, medium. It comes in the same size. The material is very different from the previous one. It's a bit more thicker and has like a lining sort of inside. This sweater is more like a sweater. This is a very pretty, beautiful blue color. I love this color. And then there is peach details all over it from behind as well, and a white teddy which makes it like so cute. The fit is regular, as I said, and it's not loose or anything. It just fits you perfectly. This sweater is very premium looking and the material is so soft. You can basically wear it with any of these colors for a perfect match. I have worn it with the blue long sleeves to match the blue, and then a beige whitish pants to match the white. This outfit looks so cute. This is one of my favorite outfits from this video. It's very Korean street style vibe. The next item in the box is this Simplicity pullover sweater. This is a very vintage style. I really like these kind of sweaters with these patterns. This feels very Christmassy. It reminds me of my childhood. The material, however, is polyester and it's not too thick. I got this for 1393 rupees. The design is so beautiful. It has so many colors. It has blue, it has brown and black, and these designs that you find on like older sweaters. This is in size small because it fits very loose and it's a bit oversized. Balance out the looseness of this, I paired it with the black leggings to match the black inside it. I think it looks perfect. Very basic street outfit. You can definitely wear it with loose pants if you want, and also any color from this, even jeans would work. It's perfect for wearing at home, like lounging around in it, or wearing it outside. Next item is this Simplicity pullover sweater. This is also one of my favorite pieces from the whole thing, just because it's super comfortable. Like, it's so soft and comfortable. I got this for 1342. The color looks black, but it's actually navy, like darkest dark blue. There is a yellow heart detail in it. It's very pretty. It's super oversized, so I ordered it in small. The material is also polyester, but it's kind of thicker, and it is kind of see-through. It's like crocheted material and it's so light. Like, It's actually really lightweight. And honestly, since the color looks black, you can pair it with literally anything. I just think black on black won't suit that much. I don't know, I'm not the fashion police. But I have paired it with the contrasting color, that is a white flared white pants. That looks so chic. I think this is one of the coolest outfits I've ever worn in my life. The next item is called pocket sweater coat. It's a regular fit sweater cardigan and I got it in size medium. This is proper soft wool kind of stuff. Very soft. I have such kind of sweaters. They're actually really warm. I got this for 1253 rupees. I actually love that price because the details on it are really, worth paying that much. It has these leaf details here in the pocket. It seems like pockets say, leaf nikal raha. And another thing I loved about it is the buttons. Most of my sweaters from Urbanic have this typical brown button, but isme the buttons are so pretty. Like there are little daisies here. They are so cute. It looks so pretty when you wear it. It's a regular fit. This is a normal cardigan. You can pair it with a pair of jeans if you want. But I am, upping the style game, and I paired it with my flowery skirt, like this flowy skirt. I think it looks so pretty with that. It's a very touristy vibe, lost in an Italian village. So actually you can pair it with yellow, white or green. Look at this outfit, the way I paired it. I'm actually really proud of myself for doing this. The next item is also called Simplicity Sweater Coat. It is similar to the previous one, but let me show you the details on it. Oh my god, this is just so cute, super cute. It's thick and it has a lining inside which is like full red and the outside is white, so it's like a double layer of wool. It's made of acrylic fiber. It's really soft, really thick, really warm. I got this for rupees 14.92, which is a very decent price to pay because the quality is actually really good. It has these button details on it. The red hearts I think are absolutely adorable. Will amp up your outfit anyway. You can definitely wear it with white or a pair of jeans and wear like a red hat on it. I unfortunately do not have a red colored hat, but it would look cool with that. This is kind of a relaxed fit. I got it in size S. I actually took a small size for all the relaxed fits, and for the regular and fitted ones I took size M. So I worn like a white crop top underneath to match the white on white, and then with a pair of jeans to give a very casual Pinterest girly look. I worn the buttons crisscross to give it a cropped shape. Such a fabulous pretty outfit. As for the last sweater, there's another pocket sweater coat, which is something I really wanted since I saw it. This I got for 1352 rupees. Let me tell you, it is heavy. Like it is a heavy sweater. You can totally rely on it to keep you warm, and बहुत ही pretty colors. It comes in many other colors, but I love this the most. The quality is great. It looks like a thick sweater. Plus it has this Christmas kind of design on the front here and on the back as well. Like so many colors. They also give you blue to match with the jeans and stuff. It's kind of like a long overcoat, not an overcoat but like a jacket. You can wear it with yellow, green, blue, navy blue, white, beige, whatever. Like of course it would look perfect and very simple basic with a pair of jeans. So good, but I have elevated it a little bit and tried the cottagecore style. I wore it with a green colored skirt, and in my opinion this outfit looks really cute and pretty. Very cottagecore, again very touristy. It looks like I'm roaming in the village of Ez, enjoying the view in my little flowy cardigan and keeping myself warm. Perfect. Now let's come to the jackets. The first jacket I bagged is this black leather jacket. It's an essential piece. It should be in a wardrobe. Let me tell you, it's like something you should have, like one of the basics. It's faux leather, but you should definitely get one. It's called zipper biker jacket. I got it for 2,863 rupees. It's in the size medium because it fits perfectly. And if you have to wear it on certain things like a sweater or something, you need like a bigger oversized. You can actually never go wrong with this. Can wear it with dresses, can wear it with, shorts, simple blue jeans, anything. I am really surprised by the quality because it's very, premium, and it definitely is gonna keep you warm. It has 2 zip pockets as well. Very nice, and smooth zips also. So to style it, I went full Hailey Bieber. But I wore it with a straight blue jeans and a black turtleneck with black boots. This outfit is very typical New York street style, off-duty model. I am neither of those things, but this is like something I really love. I cannot wait to actually wear this somewhere outside. The next item I got is this patchwork shirt jacket. Basically a denim jacket. It has a very interesting detail. So it is a patchy jacket which has dark denim and the lighter shade denim patched together, which gives a very nice detail. It's an oversized fit, but I still ordered size M because I wanted it, extra oversized. I just think that oversized denim jackets look really cool for some reason. This is obviously really good quality. If you have Urbanic jeans, it is the same jean quality. You won't believe the price I got it for. 1672 rupees. It's a denim jacket. It goes with anything and everything you want to wear, like literally everything. But I'll go a little basic and I'll wear it with a white crop top and a pair of white jeans. Beautiful outfit, very casual, perfect for running errands, going grocery shopping, going to the mall, chilling with your friends, going on a date with your besties. Next item I got is this buttoned trench coat for rupees 2312. 2000 में trench coat, वो भी इतनी अच्छी quality का. So it's a beige apricot, slightly whitish color trench coat. I got this color because it would go with everything. Basically, it's a basic, trench coat color, but it has these olive grayish color details on the collar and on the cuffs. It's double breasted and closes, properly. It fits me really good. It's a relaxed fit, so you can wear as many clothes as you want. ऊपर से मैंने ये size small लिया है. I didn't want to take a longer jacket जो पैरों से थोड़ा नीचे तक जाए. And I always wanted a good trench coat. Like, I'm so happy I got this. It is quality wala material, very good quality. It's a proper trench coat material. So basically, snow से गीला वगैरह नहीं होगा अंदर, वैसा टाइप का है ये. Proper London feels है इसमें. I wore it with a similar color turtleneck and नीचे I wore like flared black palazzos. This looks very classy, very London वाला. I've never been to London, but when I go there, you're coming with me. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया outfit. Now the last item of the day, it's probably one of my favorite pieces. It's a fur coat. It's called button fur coat. मेरी नज़र इस पे बहुत टाइम से थी. I wanted this since so long. It's priced at 2992 rupees. It comes in various colors, but I got it in black because ये हर outfit के साथ चल जाता. The material is polyester. The fur is the softest thing I have ever felt in my life. Like, it is so. The fit is regular, so I ordered it in size M. जब भी पहनो तो एकदम rich diva vibes आती हैं. I personally would love to wear it at parties. किसी भी ड्रेस के ऊपर ये पहन लो, बहुत परफेक्ट लगेगा. या फिर कैजुअली जीन्स के साथ डे टाइम में भी पहन सकते हो, नो इश्यूज. मैंने इसको 2 तरीके से स्टाइल किया है. सबसे पहले तो आई वोर इट विद अ ब्लैक लेदर स्कर्ट एंड अ ब्लिंगी पिंक टॉप, जो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. फिर बाद में मुझे ऐसा लगा द स्कर्ट इज टू शॉर्ट, तो मैंने उसके नीचे टाइट्स पहन लिए. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इस आउटफिट के साथ ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. पीपल हु really want to wear something like that. Then I paired it with a white blingy dress. This is definitely like my New Year party look. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. ये बहुत ज़्यादा warm है, तो it's obviously not Mumbai material, but rest of the India, जो North India especially, वहाँ पे बहुत ठंड पड़ती है, तो Delhi parties के लिए ये best है. या फिर आप छुट्टी के लिए मनाली कश्मीर जा रहे हो, उसके लिए भी best है. It's like so good. I got this for 2992 after sale, and इसकी वार्मथ और इसका जो मटेरियल है उसके हिसाब से दिस प्राइस इज great. So as I promised, I'll tell you about the code right now. There's actually an early Christmas sale going on Urbanic's website where you get things up to 50% off. It is such a steal. Let me tell you, the quality has increased dramatically. You have to go and stock up your wardrobe, like really. Additionally, you can use my code for a 30% off on Sundays and 25% off after Sunday. So that is the end of the video. Let me know which one was your favorite piece या आपको कौन सा piece खुद लेना है. Please let me know in the comments below. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you really soon. Till then, take care. Bye.